Seedance 2.0 is finally available globally on Higgsfield and in all plans. So today it's time to test it to the absolute limits. I'm putting it head to head with Kling 3.0 using numerous brutal prompts. I'm also going to use my own face for image to video, stacking multiple elements, using video to video and everything what is possible. So let's jump into Higgsfield, and if you want to follow along, link is in the description down below. I'll start right away with using my own face, so this one, and a very complicated prompt where we have so many camera moves every second and a lot of different dialogue all packed into a 15-second video. So here's the final result.
You promised. You said you'd be here. Our appointment was at 3 o'clock. Where were you?
Got held up at work. It's not a big deal.
Not a big deal? I took off work. I rearranged everything.
You think I don't know that? You think I don't feel like shit about it?
Feeling like shit doesn't change anything. It doesn't undo it.
What do you want from me? An apology? Fine. I'm sorry.
I don't want apologies anymore, David. I want you.
Now this worked great, even though it did made me slightly older and with some liver problems, but nonetheless. So to achieve this, you need to upload an image of yourself here. You can use up to 9 images in one sequence, 3 videos and 3 different audio, as far as I know. When you upload the media, it will check its eligibility automatically, or you can click check eligibility. And if everything is fine, then you will be able to use your own face to image to video or as an element to video. You see, I'm eligible and now I can use it. If you ran into problems, try running your image into Nano Banana for image to image and then do some different things and then try to re-upload or use here image generations. And this should work then. So nice, and here is the result in Kling 3.0.
You promised. You said you'd be here. Our appointment was at 3
Got held up at work. It's not a big deal.
I took off work. I rearranged everything.
Not a big deal. Think I don't know that? You think I don't change like shit about it?
What do you like? Shit doesn't change anything. I don't want me. I want you.
It is actually pretty good. My own face looks better, but the camera moves are not as it was in the prompt, so those fast whip pans between the dialogue. Now let's try this interesting text-to-video prompt of a war disaster movie vibe with many different motions and action scenes. 15 seconds, 69, 90 credits to generate, and this is our video. All of the prompts will be available on my website as usual. So let's see it. Wow, this was great, and especially you see that last frame where camera is zooming out to see the whole battlefield. Amazing. This is the result in Kling 3.0. It's nice, but not as good as Seedance, for sure. And just as a test, since when 2.7 was just released, let's see that also. Now this instantly looks like a video game, but let's see. Here is one epic prompt of using my own image in an environment of a big dragon, color gray blue tones, cinematic realism and many different camera shots. It's a rather complicated one. This is the video. Wow, look at that final scene of the dragon eyes, and here I am somewhere as a small little human. Now this is that same prompt in Kling 3.0 Omni. It does look good, but it did not show my character completely. Now, of course, using video as a reference is also possible. So I uploaded this simple video of myself on a green screen. It doesn't have to be on a green screen. It just looked more interesting to me. So we have this video. Then I uploaded the background that I want to use, the streets of New York. Then I uploaded the car that I want to use, then the suit for me, then another car. And then I on purpose used the simple prompt. So use the same video as reference in video 1, but replace the background with image 1. Background is coming alive, very simple. And car image arrives from the background and parks on the left side. Person from video 1 wearing suit image 3. After the car is parked, person from video 1 comes to the car, etc, etc. As mentioned, I wanted to keep this very simple. Now this is one of the results. So this is me standing on the streets. The background is replaced. We see the people here. Pretty good. Let's see. Oh yeah, the Mustang arriving and crashing into Tesla's Cybertruck. This is another similar result. And now for the ultra cool prompt of epic wide angle shot, zooming in to the macro details. Let's look at it, this Seedance 2.0. Now look at those details while zooming in to the arrow. Amazing. The whole different perspectives and the whole battlefield. This is Kling 3.0. The small soldiers look okay, but you know, here we had many different morphings, they arriving from nowhere, but still okay. And here I will try to put 6 different images and one sound element into a fast pacing prompt for a high energy fashion look video shot through a 180-degree fisheye lens. So we have shot 1 with outfit 1, then shot 2, shot 3, shot 4, shot 5, 6, and also use music from attached element here. This is the result. Full consistency of the images and the clothes, even the image that had many items. So in one image it had glasses, bracelets. I don't understand the woman fashion, but everything is there as it was on the image. And the music is exact. I used the same in the Kling 3.0 Omni, just with the auto-generated music. And now I'm going silent to show you numerous videos I generated with Seedance 2.0 compared with Kling 3.0, and in some cases also with Grok Imagine, Veo 3.1 and Van 2.7.
What just happened? What just happened?
911. Yo, back up.
Back up! Back up!
And that's it for the Seedance 2.0 global launch showdown on Higgsfield. Which model do you think took the crown today? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more stress tests. And I'll see you in the next one.